Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how we are going to use the margin management. Essentially, if we want to find out what is the total fund that I have available for my margin and how that is changing. So that is what we're going to do today. So I've already done my login. I've created the FYERS model here, and then we have created this function, monitor funds, which is going to help us find out how much fund we have. So for that, I will have to use this function called fires.funds. Now, how do I know about this? If you go to the documentation and if you write funds here, let's try to find it. You will see that this is where we are getting the funds. And if you go to the Python code, we are getting the fire.funds. And it basically is going to give us all the equity amount as well as the commodity account. So since the what I trade is purely equity and FNO, you will only see that all my funds are parked in the equity amount. So with that in mind, let's see how much fund is showing available. It is showing as 8728.19. And how we are going to use it is once we get the response, I am checking whether I got the response or not. And if that is true, like in previous video, what I'm doing is I'm going to get the fund data of from the response and I'm going to convert it into a data frame. And once I've got the data frame, I will quickly show that in a easier to read format. So let's run the code. So you can see that this was the original response. From this response, I've got the fund limit, basically everything after the fund limit. So this array here, and this array becomes the fund data. This array becomes the fund data, yes. And out of that, we are converting this fund data into a data frame. And then I'm extracting the ID, title, equity amount, and commodity account, and I'm printing it out. So you will see this is what we're getting here. So from here, we can clearly see that the total balance is 8742.08. Out of this, I've utilized 5.48 and my current balance is 8728.19. And if you go back to the portal also, you will see that this is the correct 8728.19, which is the correct available balance. So this is coming correctly. You will also see what was my initial start limit and what is the current balance. So we get all that information. Like I said, I do not have a commodity account. So that is why it is showing zero. And what is happening is this is running after every 10 seconds. So as you can see here in the code, I have put interval as 10 seconds. So after every 10 seconds, it will keep getting updated. So you can see what is happening with your funds in case you're doing live trading. And if this is, let's say, going down too much, you can probably try to square off some positions or let's say do some hedging if you're doing FNO trading. So I hope this is clear. Very important to understand how much margin we have in the account. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.